So we discussed about a different topologies. So what is meant by these topologies? Already we discussed, right? What is meant. So different ways you can connect the devices. Maybe you are connecting from one device to another device kind of stuff, or you are connecting the devices to a backbone cable, or maybe you are connecting one devices to all other devices, or you are connecting to some centralized device, right? Different ways you can able to connect it based on the different topologies we are talking. But how much size we can connect? How much geographically, how much size of the network is there? Depends upon the geographical limitation. Depends upon the geographical limitation. So they created different types of networks. Actually, there is only two types of network. One is LAN, another is WAN only. Okay. But as a world textbook, and still some people are adding more into it in between. So there's a lot of things are added. So So different types of networks are there based on geographical range or a size. So one is a LAN, another one is CAN, another one is MAN, and another one is some additions also there. So we'll see. So I connected a devices in a single room and created a network. Okay, I connected devices means I created a network. The size is a room size. Okay, a single room size only. Network is a single room size. That's we call it as a LAN. Or maybe your organization is completely entire floor. Your organization is entire one single floor is entirely your organization. So you have multiple devices and you are connecting all devices together and created a one network and you can able to communicate within your network. Within your network. So that is what it is. Also comes under a LAN, geographical range is LAN only. Or maybe your office is your organization or your office is into the multiple floors. Or maybe it's up to one building. Up to it is one complete building, your organization is there. Means entire building, your devices are there. You connected all devices together and created one single network and all people can able to communicate each other. This is also comes under in a geographical size of range limit is land limit only. So it means the land size, the geographical land size is come from one single room to floor or multiple floors or entire building. Okay? Entire building. This is the limitation of your LAN, local area network. Okay. Next. If you take a university, like a campus, university campus, college campus, or if you have ever visited any these offices like a Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, HCL, campuses are there. It means multiple buildings are there. Okay. In a campus, you have a multiple buildings. Think like this. Each building is one LAN, and you are combining these multiple LANs together and become one single network. Again, you become one single network. And within this campus, think like this. Within the campus, you can able to communicate. For example, ECE department is there, ENTC department is there, EEE department is mechanical department, IT department, CSC department. Your principal administrative office building is there. These are all different buildings, different lands that people are communicating. So what we have done, so we are connecting all these networks together and become one large network. One big large network we are created. Okay. So, but we can able to communicate each other from EC department system to EEE department system. we can share information, okay, we can communicate each other, we can right, we can share resources like that, we can communicate each other, okay. Within that network we can able to communicate each other. So this, within the campus you are able to communicate each other. So that type of network we are calling as a campus area network. Campus area. Understand guys, LAN and CAN.
Yes, sir.
If you take a city, for example, in the city, different departments are there, right? For example, police department is there, hospitals are there, okay? Road construction, road maintenance related department, fire department also there, okay? Judiciary, law related departments, mayor offices, okay? Think like this, and normal people also there. So everybody has their own system, right? Normal people. Okay, so they want to access and communication between them, between the people in the city or between the people and different departments, department to department. So, so they are all connected together and make a one single large network. Okay, make a large network, and so they can able to communicate each other and they can able to share resources each other. Okay, share resources each other. Okay, but within that city only. Okay, not from outside of the city, not to outside of the city. Okay, not to outside of the city, not from outside of within the city. All are connected, all are able to communicate each other, all are able to share informations, data, resources. Okay, for example, I want to apply for driving license. So there is a driving RTO department is there. Okay, road transport department. So I will apply for a driving license to it within my city, within one city guideline only. Okay, so this is called a metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network within the city communication. Okay, metropolitan area. So the size of the network, geographical size of the network is limited to the city, within the city. Next, I have an office in New Jersey or New York, like that. I have my head office at New Jersey. Actually, our previous connects to like so our head office is at New Jersey only earlier. Now they are changed it to Exton, Pennsylvania. Exton, PA. Comes under Los Angeles, that's California district. Okay, we'll see that one. Okay. In Hyderabad, I have another office. In Hyderabad, our 70s office also, we have some data center like a database server, virtualization servers, okay, or web servers kind of stuff is also there. And in New Jersey office also, we have Active Directory servers, database servers, storage servers, okay, different servers. So you are want to connect between them. This office at New Jersey to our office at Hyderabad. Different geographical location, not in the city, not in the campus, not in the city also, not even in the same country also. Okay. How these things will connected and communicate using WAN connectivity. WAN is a global network. The size of the WAN is global, entire global is one WAN. Okay. So entire WAN. I'm not saying this everything is connected to everything. That is different point. That is different point. I will explain that one. But one geographical location, one office organization is there in that land, and in our in another location, another organization, another. So we are able to connect and make them communicate each other through WAN connectivities. Wide area network. It is a global. network it is. The range is global set. Okay, WAN connectivity. Again, local area network, LAN, campus area network, CAN, metropolitan area network, MAN, wide area network is WAN. Okay, metropolitan area network is MAN, and the wide area network is WAN. Okay. Another two interesting. There's and people are asking, sir, about pan, hand, dan, bang, yam, yam, like that. Okay. So then I am getting little interested to two are more interesting one. So one is about a PAN, personal area network. So you are wearing your smart watch, smart shoes, smart clothes, smart goggles, smart caps, smart helmets, smart bikes. You can connect all your things together, right? So if you are getting a call, then in your mobile phone you will get a notification, right? Okay, like that, right? We can do that. So Bluetooth earphones, you can connect it to your Bluetooth ear. When you got a call, then you can assist from that Bluetooth earphones also. Smart shoes, smart watches will tell you how many steps you have done, what is your heart rate, what is your SpO2, different parameters you can get it to, and you can sync to your mobile phones. Okay. Different things you can connect to ourselves using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi hotspot. You can able to connect it. So it's become one single network for your personal items, personal devices. You are connecting and make them communicating between them to your personal one. So that's we can say it is personal area network. Next one is home area network. So nowadays, home automations, home connectivities are there. Your smart TVs, smart LEDs, smart plugs, smart home appliances like your refrigerators, ACs. These are smart home appliances. You can connect using your Wi-Fi router through your mobile. You can connect, control it, or right, or you can use like a Alexa, Echo Dots, or a Google Next. You can connect all this together and make them automate, make it more easy communication between them. Okay, so that is home area network. So one more, that is why I blurred this one is, so there is a reason why, because this SAN is not actually your regular network. It is okay. SAN is storage area network. The name is area network, but area network is there like a LAN man can type of, but it's not actually your what regularly using network it is. Okay, it is storage related solutions used in only in a big enterprises only. In enterprises only for their storage solutions, storage access, storing data, okay, block level storage kind of stuff. So they use this storage separately. Of course, when I told about a full mesh topology or mesh topology, also I told this used in a storage area network. Okay, okay. So that is the storage area network is not exactly say it is not a kind of regular network. It is some storage solution like storage devices are there, storage servers are there, fiber optical switches all connected together in a full mesh topology or a mesh topology are connected for storing data, accessing storages purpose only. Okay, it's not comes under general data, but for abbreviation, it's there. We can read it also. Once again, what is LAN? Local area network. It's a private network. CAN within the campus, you can communicate each other. Okay. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network within the city. WAN, global network it is. Global network. Okay. What is global network? So one different geographical locations, we are able to connect and we can able to communicate. WAN is just like it's a kind of private to private, means already I told my New Jersey office to Hyderabad office, that private network to this private network, we are connecting through WAN connectivity. And same WAN also we can connect to the public networks. That is what we call it as the internet. Okay. So from this server or from this office to this server, I want to access. From here, I want to access this server. So I can use this WAN private connectivity to access it. So WAN private network. You're accessing google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. All are public available connectivities. Even you want to connect it, so you are connecting through WAN links only, through WAN only. But it's a public type of connectivities. So this server only access from New Jersey office or Hyderabad office. But you take like a gmail.com, you can access, I can access from my home, you can access from your home, I can access from office, right? Anywhere, anytime, because it's publicly resource available. Okay? That is when our public is our internet. You guys understand about different types of network?
Yes, sir.
I just said internet. What is this internet? Internet means it's a public network. Networks of network, different networks are connected together in the public. If you are accessing like a Gmail accessing, YouTube accessing, Facebook are accessing, those servers are resources or that information not in your home, right? Not there in your home, not in our office. You're accessing, how you are accessing? Through internet only you are accessing. Means you have to connect it to internet, then only you can able to access it. So that is internet. So public networks of network. Okay. So we are connected to internet to access resources or information or communication, which is we are able to do it through, which is available in public. Okay. That's all. Then what is this intranet? What is this intranet? Intranet means my private network, my local or a private network. For example, think like this. This is a intranet network. Like for example, I have my own server is there. For example, this is my mail server, some web server, some storage server, and my device is also there. Okay, my office device is also. Okay. So people are connecting, communicating, they're sending information, and they are able to communicate each other in their own private network. So no involvement of public network, no involvement of public IP addresses, no internet subscriptions and are not required. So I'm able to communicate from here to here without internet subscription. I can communicate from there to here, there to here. Okay. I can able to communicate. Okay. But I don't require any internet connections and all. Simple. I connect the devices using switch or hubs or Wi-Fi router like that. I connected it. And they are communicating each other with sharing information, sharing data, authentications. Okay. Mail communication. So I created my own network and I'm communicating within my LAN only, within my private network only. So that is what it is called a intranet. That is intranet means it's a private network. Within your private network, you are able to share information, sharing data, resources. You can do it. That is intranet, private network. Then what is internet? The resources, things are available in outside. You want to send a mail to someone, you have to send through Gmail, for example. You are sending through Gmail, like @gmail.com, you are sending. Gmail is not in your home, right? Not in your office also. It is somewhere it located. So I have to go through Internet. So I need internet connectivity. So then only I can use gmail.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. Otherwise, I can't access it. That is a internet. Guys, understand difference? Intranet, internet. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So this is the main common differences. Some places in the olden days, this is the one common question is, what is the difference between Ethernet and Internet? Internet is a networks of network. Okay, networks of network. It's a concept. It's how devices are connected and able to access through internet. For example, you have a desktop or a laptop. You want to connect, right? Generally, you've seen in the colleges, right? Generally, you've seen the colleges. You have seen the desktops are there. So backside of desktop, there is a cable. The cable is connected to that wall mount. Okay. So cable connectivity is there. Backside network cable is there. Okay. Where it is connecting to your desktop to the Ethernet port only. Okay. The port it is connecting, we call it as Ethernet port. Okay. So that is our NIC card, network interface card. So Ethernet is a NIC network interface card used to connect device in LAN communication. So initially we are connecting in LAN. So we are connecting to switch or hub. Okay, we need this Ethernet ports. Even you are having a laptop, the laptop is, if you see the side, there is a RJ45 connector. Okay, this is switch connector. So this is what I'm saying is, see this is the Ethernet port. Nowadays, these Ethernet ports are integrated inside your laptop and integrated into your mobile phone. In your desktops. Earlier, separate card we are using. Nowadays, it is inside your laptop integrated. Purpose of this Ethernet is to connect your device to network. So one end of this cable is go to your laptop or desktop to this port. Another end of the cable is going to the wall mount or directly to the switch. Okay. So this is a Ethernet port. Inside integrated Ethernet card is there. Ethernet card is also there. That we will see once after few points we complete. Okay. So also called as LAN card, which is in the computer use it to connect LAN network using UTP or STP cables. Let's understand Ethernet, at least Ethernet port.
Yes, sir.
So this is the Ethernet card, LAN cards, which is inserted on your desktop or a server motherboards. They are inserted into these white bars like this. It is inserted like this. So this is the Ethernet port. Nowadays, it is integrated inside your desktop and laptop itself. You can see this port directly without inserting any card. Okay. Even for a laptop also the port is there. It means it's built-in Ethernet card is there inside. Okay. That is Ethernet. So Ethernet is a device, an interface card. Internet is a not a device, it is networks of network. Just relax 2 minutes, then I will start something. 2 minutes only.